Everybody was together. We may not have appeared often enough. Sorry.
No, Shahrukh, you started by saying we are not businessmen, we are content creators. You have mentioned profit 3 times in the last 5 minutes.
Business.
Secondly, on a lighter side, don't
यार
react, don't
मैं
react.
मैं बताऊं गुर्बत में क्रिएटिविटी नहीं होती. मैं सबको बोलता हूं first get rich then become a philosopher. First get rich then become a philosopher.
The second thing is,
I truly believe that. यार.
second thing is, on this issue of, see, and Shahrukh and Ritesh, with respect to both of you and all of your content creators, content cannot be treated as toothpaste. You can't make different for different levels of sensitivity. If you have to tell a story, you have to tell a story as it is. And I believe the expansion in media that's happening in digital today is allowing all of us, with the expansion of multiple screens, to tell the story that we are. So let us step forward. And I think let us be even bolder. And we can't shy away from protests or whatever. But if you find something wrong, go ahead and confront it. I think it's always worked for me. I think that's
would we,
unsolicited
from the news,
advice.
protect creativity? Would we, in the news, from the kind of discussion that we've just had, make ourselves?
Of course.
Would we protect?
I'm
like Ritesh pointed out, that sometimes you don't want to give them the oxygen of media.
I'm the first person in India who saw Padmavati, right? Padmavati, you should not have changed the name of the film also. But I'm the first person who saw it. We went out there and we actually backed up and we said there's nothing offensive in the film at all.
Right.
So we stuck our neck out.
Yeah.
And we're willing to do that. But we can't shy away from it. We can't let a group of people, and we can't put blinkers on and say these people don't exist.
Yeah.
Right? So, since this is about shaping the future of media and entertainment, on a lighter note, my recommendation to the Maharashtra government is that you should also provide some special facilities for the Karni Sena. They will provide you a lot of entertainment in the future. Don't take it otherwise. It helped your film. It helped your film. Don't worry, I'm only naming them. I'm not bringing them here. If they come here, I'll deal with them. On a lighter note. But on a serious note, I want to tell you a little story. The world is a world full of possibilities. When I started the previous channel, we took a small amount of investment from a company called Reuters. It was their first investment outside America in a consumer-facing media business. And I remember I spent 5 or 6 days with Chris Ahern, who was president of Reuters Media, to get a 25-26% investment in Times Now.
Yeah.
And the amazing thing was not the money that came in. A small amount of money by today's standards. But people from 10 to 15 nationalities started working in an Indian newsroom. So I had American, Chinese, Germans, British, all of them working out of a newsroom in Lower Parel. And we used to make a show called Reuters World Report. You will remember, Vikram, they started abusing in Hindi and Marathi also after some time.
So we taught them a few.
But the amazing thing was, for the 2 or 3 years that I worked with them, I got to realize that essentially media has no language or nationality. And since then, I have had just one dream. And that dream is that can we finally provide an Indian, South Asian or Asian alternative to the antiquated BBC and CNN, which will happen from our soil in our time. The success of the Reuters World Report made me feel that it's only a matter of thinking about it. Now consider one possibility. If I use my ability with technology, my as in our collective ability with technology, if I use the youth and the human talent available. Third thing, if I use our ability in the English language, because the Chinese will not learn English in another 100 years. If I put all of these 3 together, now I throw into it digital and technology. I throw into it artificial intelligence and machine learning. And I throw into it the ability to pick up content from different centers and to curate it in Lower Parel. than what I was doing on television creating the Reuters World Report. And I remember when Reuters left, I met Tom Gloser. And Tom told me in a meeting in London, he said, this is the proudest investment that we have had because I'm really proud of the quality of the show that you produce. Can we magnify that 1,000 times and turn it into a global media enterprise focusing on digital and technology, creating content, not Indian content for Indians or global content for Indians, but global content for the world, curated out of Mumbai, Pune or anywhere. Believe me,
What stops
it
us,
is,
Arnab?
there's nothing that stops it. There's nothing that stops it. Nothing stops an idea whose time has come. Believe me, it doesn't. Behemoths come and die. When I left Times Now, I was told you will die because you're taking on a behemoth. We prove with the success of Republic and our play of digital and television that an idea cannot be stopped. I appeal to everyone here, if we are going to make India a soft power, and this is not about money alone, if you are going to make Maharashtra magnetic, if you are going to make India magnetic, then before it is too late, create a global center for world news operating out of Mumbai. I think we need to look beyond the country, and I think we'll be doing a service to the future generations of India. I know that we can do it far better than any global newsroom. It's just that we are now thinking of covering Arvind Kejriwal and what is that racketeer, Nirav Modi. We just need to think of covering Trump.
When is that likely to change?
It's going to change in the next 2 or 3
What
years.
will change it?
I have said it. I have said it, and I promise to you on this occasion. And I don't know how this will happen, Vikram, but I am saying it today, that within the next 3 years, Republic will be India's first global entry into media for the world. I won't shout as much on global television maybe. But the fact is, why don't we do it? We don't do it because we are not thinking about it.
Correct.
It has to happen, and it will be a transformative thing, and that's
No, but
where
jokes aside,
we can
Arnab, there is an
collaborate.
Indian sensibility. There is a way that we consume, what is put out there. There is going to be the need for media that is very Indian in its aesthetic, in its appeal.
Sure.
Now, how do you align it with, because like we just heard, there is a bucking of the global trend where print is concerned. There is a very strong Indian model that is, well, clearly working, it's evolving, and there are problems. But there is a need, if you are going to talk about something that is an offering to the world at large,
Yeah.
how are we going to align ourselves with what already there?
That's a matter of detailing. The first challenge you ask yourself in this room, I want you to all think about it when you leave. Can India be a global news, media, digital news, television news, media hub? My heart says yes. I know it will happen. It doesn't take billions of dollars of investment. It just requires an idea. It needs talented people. And I request all of you one day, please come. I have transformed a mill in Lower Parel into a newsroom. Watch the people work there. Believe me, we will be able to break news from the US faster than any American channel when we choose to do it.